my name is Junho.
Hello, my name is Youngmin.
Let's talk about mosquito. What is a mosquito?
Mosquito is a harmful insect.
Where do they live?
Anywhere there is water for their larvae.
What do they eat?
Male mosquitoes suck nectar, only female mosquitoes suck blood.
Why do female mosquitoes suck blood?
They need enough nutrients to make their eggs.
How do they find us?
They can smell a chemical carbon dioxide in our breath.
Do mosquito cause problems?
Yes. They carry so many deadly diseases.
How? Why mosquito? Why teach?
Mosquito. Because of allergy or reaction to mosquito saliva. Bye.